134 Garfield Street is more than move-in ready, it's magnificent. Every square inch is comfortable, gorgeous, and usable space. It has the Wolseley charm everyone is looking for. 3 bedrooms all on the main floor, perfect for your growing family. Or if you need an office to work from home, but wait until you see the basement. Front sunroom for watching the Wolseley world go by. And back sunroom to watch the children play in the yard. Busy family? Got guest? There's a full washroom on the main floor, plus a full washroom in the basement, something you don't typically see in a Wolseley bungalow. Something else that isn't typical in Wolseley is a fully finished basement, a place for that office, movie night, band practice, and keeping fit. Like I said, there's move-in ready, and then there's this. The perfect size backyard, green space, green thumb, garage, fully fenced, privacy, and you won't spend all day mowing the lawn. Where else are you gonna find that in this neighborhood? If this looks like home to you, I can't wait to show it to you.